Hey, what's up, everybody? Brandon with Steadfast Mechanical over here, and we are going to go over some maintenance items on some of these commercial package units. First thing I always like to check, because this thing blows all the time, is these blower tensioning belts on these Carrier Weathermaker gas packs. These are always either too loose or they break. So this one's actually good. It's got a perfect 1.5 inch is what we're looking for on that bad boy. Coil looks good. Normally you want to see clear channels, which you can see here. It looks like these were pretty well maintained, but this is what you got to do to your stuff at home as well. Keep your filters clean, keep your coils clean. Unit's gonna last 20 years. It's basically how it works. So, yeah.